Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. You have run out of excuses not to do that backyard tidy up that you've been putting off, and the threat of cold weather is also in the back of your mind, that some things are best attended to before they get out of hand. Here are a few innovative tools to help lighten the load. The Fiskars Xact Weed Puller. It is important to not let weeds infiltrate your lawn when it has slowed in growth, and the Fiskars Weed Puller is a great way to remove them easily, and it makes it a bit of fun as well. You don't need to bend down, you simply use the 4 deep-reaching stainless steel claws to dig down into the soil where it grabs the roots from all directions and removes the entire weed cleanly. The trees and shrubs are getting a bit shaggy, which not only looks messy, but the extra shade it creates is not ideal for your lawn either. A handheld battery trimmer, like this one, makes light work of giving them a trim, and you can use the blower to help clean up afterwards. The cooler months means leaves, and combine this with the wind and the build-up of sticks, trimmings and other debris, and your lawn can quickly become smothered. A quick and easy way to tidy this up is with a battery-powered blower. Battery blowers have come a long way in recent years, and models like this Husqvarna are quieter and still have plenty of power to get the job done quickly and easily. Now if you've got bigger trees to trim, then there's battery-powered chainsaws. Good for trimming branches and for cutting up firewood as well. It is important to allow as much sunlight as you can into your lawn. This will allow it to better photosynthesize and will also help to reduce excess moisture sitting in the profile, which can cause disease issues. This last one will keep your lawn mowed and you won't even have to go outside to use it. A robotic lawnmower like this Husqvarna Automower will help keep the lawn neat with a sharp cutting action, but also go over the lawn regularly enough that it will help to break down most debris that lands on the lawn. Auto mowers are comparable in price to ride-on mowers and cylinder mowers, and in most cases are really easy to install. So if you don't like the cold, stay inside in the warmth and let the auto mower do the job for you. With the use of these tools, you'll be ready to entertain again in spring. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.